What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am back on the D100 working on a custom dual exhaust setup. Keep watching and I'll show you what I have planned. In a previous video, I had removed the bed in order to install this fuel tank of an 84 Ram Charger. Now, the fuel system is still in work. That's going to be a future video. But I figured since the bed was off, I would continue to work on the exhaust. Here's a picture of the dual Black Widow exhaust Widowmaker mufflers that I installed. I was planning on running those, the exhaust pipe straight out the back, like was on this truck previously, but since moving the gas tank, that's going to put those exhaust pipes pretty much right up against the gas tank, and I didn't want to do that. So let me show you what I have in mind instead. And here's what I've come up with. I put the bed back on to look at alternatives to running the exhaust straight out the back, since I didn't want the exhaust pipes that close to the gas tank. So once I put the bed back on, I noticed that I had enough room to run the exhaust over the frame rails and out the bedside. So I picked up a 2.5-inch exhaust pipe kit from Speedway Motors, so I can kind of start piecing this together. It's not stainless, it's just aluminized steel, so it's got, you know, the clamps. I may end up welding it together, I haven't decided yet. Right now I'm just kind of piecing it all together. Once I get it all figured out, then I'll decide at that time whether I'm going to weld it or not. But I'm going to add a mount to each bed for each frame rail right here, and then just get some longer U-bolts and basically hard mount to the frame, and that'll stiffen up the entire exhaust system. And then I'm going to, in the next video, I am going to show how I make the bedside exit for each side of the bed. That should be interesting. I have a plan in mind. I've kind of already taped up the bedside and sketched it out on there, and I've got some ideas in mind, so I hope you guys will watch the next video once I get that work done. But yeah, that's really it. I mean, it's gonna be a super simple exhaust. The mufflers are literally right here. Again, you know, I'll post a picture to show the mufflers mounted, and then just gonna come out of the mufflers 90 degrees up over the frame rail and dump out through the bedside right in front of the back tires. I haven't obviously worked on the mufflers forward yet, since the engine is still at the machine shop, and I don't want to try to run the exhaust up there obviously until I have an engine with headers on it, so I know exactly where I need to mount. So yeah, that's just a quick update on the plan for the dual exhaust for the D100. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys will watch the next one also, where I again show you my plan for the bedside exits. See you all later.